Well folks, fall is here, perfect time for gardening. I know it's hard after spring and summer to continue to be out there, but really the easiest season, being that all of your perennials get planted this time of year, obviously don't do much through the fall, but they do grow roots all fall into the winter and then get ready again next year, winter into spring, really growing you a much more robust plant. So really good value for money to be planting this time of year. Pretty big selection of perennials. We've ever expanded that range, mostly in the perennial flowers to do with pollinators, hummingbirds, butterflies, bees, that kind of thing. Quite a few different colors of echinacea, quite a few different varieties of butterfly bushes as well, and then thyme and rosemary and other perennial favorites for you in the herb range too. For those, if you missed out on some rhubarb in the spring, we've got plenty of rhubarb now, as well as asparagus. And again, planting these things now is just going to yield you more crop next year. We do also have 4 packs of lettuce, your kale, different types of kale, as well as some peas, some collards, some mustard greens as well. So mostly just fall greens for this time of year. Really quite easy too. If you've got some planting real estate that's not going to produce too much, it'd be good to get rid of what's in there. Plant some of these things and it'll go all the way into November, and really easy time because most of the bugs are dead from summertime, and then really just keep up with the watering and the harvesting. We've also brought back the lettuce bowls, so we've got those now, and kale bowls as well if you're doing it in containers or just want something close on the patio. Hopefully those will work for you. Again, get some fresh salad in. Look forward to seeing you at the farm.